I congratulate you all again on stepping on the path of growing to that level of supreme enlightenment, of realization of the divine, and of bringing your students closer to that. This is the real path of Dharma. Many congratulations to you all.
Thank you, sir. We are really and greatly honored by your presence today here. Now I would like to call upon our special guest, Sri N. Sheshagiri sir, to kindly come over and present his class.
Good morning. We are practicing yoga. Earlier I was over there. In 1997, I was sitting over there. Gradually, I started working hard like anything. That brought me here. Earlier, I was thinking only asanas or yoga. I learned more than 500 asanas, not one or two. I'll show you one or two. When I'm writing book on those 500 asanas also, I'll show you a few asanas. I learned 500 asanas. After learning, I was thinking I was master. After learning asanas only, I was thinking I was the master. I was keep on teaching. One of my students told, sir, there is Vyasa. Here, now it became Vyasa. Earlier, it was Swami Vivekananda Yoga Anusandhana Kendra. After coming here, I realized that asana is nothing. Yes, these are all nothing. I came to know that it is a part of yoga. Nowadays, yoga is becoming very popular because yoga is a way for health and happiness. It has 4,000 years preface, not one or two, 4,000 years preface. Only sages were practicing this. Gradually they started introducing for normal people also. They asked, why you are teaching yoga to us? The reply was, Prani nam sukha prapte yoga vidheyate. Prani nam sukha prapte yoga vidheyate. Yoga is meant to provide health and happiness. In Bhagavad Gita, Samatvam yoga uchyate. Samatvam means equanimity. Yoga uchyate. Our life is like a sea. There we find many ups and downs, like happiness, unhappiness, victory, defeat, etc. There we need to maintain normality of mind. We can get that if we practice yoga daily. Ups and downs, if you get, the person has got crore of lottery, I got crore of lottery. He'll take ticket. Yes. Or he'll hear the news. Oh, your friend was dead. Huh? Suddenly, ups and downs are the common. We must accept it in a normal state. We must accept. Or else we get into problems easily. So we must maintain normality. Samatva yoga uchyate. Yoga will teach normality. I've been practicing yoga since 34 years. According to my experience, to get life beyond the good education of body and mind, ultimate goal is yoga. Who introduced the surgery to the world? Sushruta, father of Dhanvantri. Father of Dhanvantri. Who was he? One of the yoga expert. There was no X-ray. There was no scanning. But he did many operations. He introduced surgery to the world. How? He got knowledge. He got knowledge about body and mind. He got knowledge. You get self-healing power after practicing yoga. 70 to 80% you can heal yourself. Earlier, you are attending the doctor for every each and problems. Headache means you are going to one doctor. If he is treating well, okay, or else this doctor is not good, you are changing the doctor. If he give high dosage, oh, this is best doctor. You are considering. Now, he'll make all the list of the problems. How I am getting this? What are the reasons for headache? Lack of knowledge of food, overusage of the eyes, sleeplessness, etc. He'll make all the list of the problems. He'll pick it out from the root. Suppose you are getting headache through overusage of the eyes. What do you do? Suppose you are a software engineer. You have to quit the job. Is it possible? No. That is the life. Then what do you do? There is another part, small, kriya, trataka. You can add that. It takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes to do. You can maintain your vision lifetime. You won't get problems of eyes like short sight, long sight, tears, burning sensation, pain, nothing. You can maintain your vision lifetime without any problems. If you do that, then you won't get headache also. No chance of getting headache. You'll find out the reason, you'll pick it out from the root. That is yoga. Yoga means, according to my experience, to get the life beyond a good education of body and mind, ultimate goal is yoga. Who is father of yoga? Patanjali Maharshi. You should know about it. Okay. Patanjali Maharshi. Samatva yoga uchyate. Samatva yoga uchyate administrate. Okay, come to parts. There are 4 parts in yoga. Which are those? Yeah. Raj Yoga. I did not hear it properly. It was merging. Okay. Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Gnana Yoga and Ashtanga Yoga. If I go for each step, it takes more than 1 hour for each. I come to last step and I take it major thing. They don't explain about asanas, pranayama and meditation more. I come to part directly. According to science, normal person, normal activity uses only some part of the body. Normal person, normal activity uses only some part of the body. Software engineer uses only 5 to 10%. Yes. Other factory person uses 20 to 30%. Housewives 50 to 60%. 50 to 60%. Then farmer 50 to 60% equal to housewife only. Then rest of the part is becoming rigid. So you should learn to activate each and every part of the body. Yoga, especially asanas, are the easiest way to maintain your ability lifetime. Even 106 years also you can maintain your ability like anything. One of my students told that, sir, I saw the person, he was 106 years. He is doing 106 Surya Namaskaras. 106 Surya Namaskaras. shocked by that, but also I plan to take less of him. I plan to go over there. Very high next. I plan for next day. One of my students, he was the commissioner. He told, sir, you are going means there is something special. I will come with you. I went by his car only. Chitradurga, Malladi Hadi. I went there. Few of them were working over there. They were carrying the water. Then I asked him, where is Guruji? He saw from top to bottom. He told, sit over there, he will come afterwards. I introduced that person. He is commissioner. I thought he is going to give extra preference to me. He said early. I introduced him. He is commissioner. Okay. He saw from top to bottom. Okay. Tell him to sit behind of you. Nothing. No treatment at all. Then I sat for half an hour. I saw that more than 400 members were sitting in the queue. I thanked God again because I was in the first. Then that person came who was working outside. I asked him, where is Guruji? I am the Guruji of this. My thought was totally different. 106 years means he will be on the bed. He will do Surya Namaskara, then he will go to sleep. I can keep the fruits beside of his legs. Then I take bless of him. If he is able to talk, I can. If I remember that, I get a tingling sensation. He was carrying the buckets full of water. He was carrying the steps. He was supplying the water for the plants. I took bless of him. Raghavendra Swamiji, Malladi Hadi, many books on yoga. Then I asked him, I didn't know, I have not seen your face earlier, so sorry, no problem. When you asked me with rashness only, there only I realized that you have not seen. Then I took bless of him, I asked him, what is the secret of your power? What is the secret of your power? He told, oh, you want to know my secrets only? Okay, I'll tell. One is I am practicing asanas daily without miss. Next is pranayama. Next is meditation. This is the first secret. Second one is the timetable. Timetable. See the housewife? She leave the hair. She don't know what to do. Hey, come, it is getting tired. She'll scream like anything. Yes, because she has no timetable. She don't know what to do at what time. You should make the timetable. If you want to have tiffin at 9 o'clock, sharp 9 o'clock, you should be in the dining hall. Sharp, you should make the timings. That after 4 or 5 years, you are going to appreciate yourself. Wow, what a life I've got. No chance of getting psychosomatic disorder. Never. Because when we engage with one or the other programs systematically, that takes you to upward state like anything. That uplifts you like anything. That was the secret. Even 106 years also no chance of getting problems. Next is, what are the major benefits? Now you know that many film actors are practicing yoga. Even I taught many film actors like Sudharani, Prem, Rajesh Krishna, many. Statement, why they are doing yoga? Yoga, especially asanas, prevent the wrinkling of the skin before the old age. Yes, you can maintain beauty. You want that? No? You don't want? You want. You can maintain. It prevents wrinkling of the skin before the old age. Next, no chance of getting hunchback, that this and all. You can maintain your stability lifetime. I was taking class for the Acharya Institute of Technology. There was a state level conference. More than 1,000 members were gathered over there. One of the students asked, sir, you know Rajkumar? Yes, I told, I know. So he was practicing so many asanas and he was rotating the stomach and all. I saw in the film. But how he got BP? How he got knee pain? It was a wonderful question. One of the statement of one of the film actor. Sir, I used to have tiffin at around 9 o'clock, lunch at 1 o'clock and coffee at 5 o'clock. Then 9 o'clock I used to have dinner. Then I used to sleep at around 9:30 at 10 o'clock. But after coming to film lab, I don't know at what time I'll have tiffin and what I'm going to sleep. What time I'm going to sleep. Producer will call at around 5:30, or we are sending a cab. I'll get into that. I don't know where I am going. After getting into that place only, I'll come to know that, oh, this is Ooty. By that, by reaching, it will be 11 o'clock. I have a slight difference of thing. Earlier, I used to have 9 o'clock. Now it is becoming 11 o'clock, sometime 12 o'clock. No, she's facing so much of problems because not able to maintain properness in the diet, sleep mainly, and work. After practicing yoga, you should maintain clearness with your diet. Then only possible to get good health. There is a statement, Arogyam Bhojanadinam. Our health is under the control of food. You should know about food, how it is, how much it should take, how it is affecting. You should know about it. I'll take class if possible. If I get chance like this, I'll take class about it. You should know about it. Then you should know about sleep. How many hours you are sleeping? 8 hours. What? 7. Oh. Reduce it then. Okay. 6 hours sleep is enough to maintain our ability. 6 hours sleep you should maintain 6 hours sleep. If you reduce your sleep, what will happen? Suppose the person reduces his sleep because of the desire of TV or making money, something. What will happen? Morning you should attend the office at around 8:30. But he saw the film which was his favor. Then he slept at around 1:30. Morning, it's becoming very late. He's rushed to his office. He's going in the bus. The person touched his head. Sit properly. He's making quarrel for simple reason because he can't understand anything, because he did not sleep properly. You should learn to sleep for 6 hours. If it is becoming more, you won't get properness of your body and mind. You'll become dull. If the person is going in the road, if you ask also, he won't go. He'll go like a buffalo. Yes. He won't understand anything because he slept a lot. 8 hours, 9 hours. He can't understand anything properly. Suppose if I tell something extra for him, he can't understand easily. Because he slept a lot. Options of the body and mind become less. So you should sleep. Then behavior. We must learn to behave well in society. Then only possible to get, or else your whole experience becomes zero. You should learn to behave well. Then work. You should think of the work. You should maintain 4 hours minimum. Maximum you can work till 12 hours. You won't feel tired. Nothing. You can maintain your ability like anything. Okay. After maintenance of all this, if you go for the asanas, it becomes a gift for you. He was a famous actor. He was getting into many places because of the shooting. There he got disturbance. That was the reason he got problems. No chance. If I get problems, I do mistakes with one or the other among these 4. You should practice asanas daily. Other benefits, asanas helps to prevent the problems which you get through gravitation force. If I throw the mobile upwards, it will come down because of the gravitation force. Similarly, heart will pump the blood. Head portion won't receive that properly. Till 14 years only possible to get proper blood circulation. After 14 years, it becomes less and less. You brought a borewell pump. It's working nicely in the beginning. You are going to inform everybody with grade I brought Suguna pump. It is working nicely. They also feel like taking. After 10 years, you are going to accuse, oh, it's not pumping at all. Even half an hour is over, it's not pumped even 1 drum of water. Likewise, it becomes down. After giving oral service to that and winding for that, it works nicely as a beginning. What we want to do? We must remove our heart. No, we can't remove that. We can't remove our heart. What we must do? We must tone in the place. How can we tone? Through asanas. Asanas helps to tone the heart. He'll get proper blood circulation in the head portion. Then he'll be out of all the problems in the head portion, like headache, giddiness, thyroid problems, ENT problems, etc., etc. You won't get any problems in the head portion after practicing. Next, asanas helps to maintain the three doshas of the body, kapha, vata and pitta. If the kapha goes up, there is chance of getting phlegm, wheezing, tuberculosis, etc. etc. If the vata goes up, all the joints will get pain. Next, there is chance of getting into bed, etc. Then if the vata goes up, stomach ache, chest pain, giddiness, blurriness of the eyes, etc. So you should maintain three doshas of the body. You can maintain if you practice asanas in a well manner. How many asanas are there? Only 84 lakhs. Very good. 84 lakhs asanas are there. Only Patanjali Muni have done that. Patanjali Maharshi only have done that. Others can't possible to practice so much of asanas. They can't practice. You should know how many asanas you should do. Like 25 to 50. Make a timetable. You have learned more. Make a timetable of it and then you can go through that. Patanjali Maharshi says, Tatra Sthira Sukha Asana. Tatra Sthira Sukha Asana. Sthira means what? Should maintain steadiness of the body. Somebody is doing asana, they'll do like this, they'll do like this. Sir, he is not practicing. Then again they'll come to pose. Is it called sthiram? No. Earlier sages were not getting any problems with all the seasons. Whether it is winter or rain, whatever it is, they were not getting any problems easily. Because they were practicing asana systematically. We should learn to practice asana systematically. We should maintain sthiram. When you go for the asanas, you should learn to maintain steadiness of the body. Then stillness of the mind. While doing only, they thought, what is next period? Oh, I have to do. Oh, he is very strict master. I have to do this, I have to do that. Sir, excuse me, sir. They will go and they will do homework. They will do one or the other. No chance of getting benefits. Instead of inhalation, you went with exhalation. Is it possible to get benefits? No. Then it becomes warm-up exercise. So you should maintain steadiness of the body and stillness of the mind. It's called sthiram. Sukha means happiness. You'll get asana, you'll get benefits. If you do, you'll get happiness if you do asanas without force. Without force in the sense, you should practice according to your flexibility. You should not overstretch. The person have done Shirshasana, Sarvangasana, Chakra, something. After seeing if you do that, what will happen? Very next day, it will take leave. It takes more than 1 week to recover. So, you should go through Guru. You should practice systematically. You should practice. You should think of your ability. You should practice without force. That is called Sukham. Body bending posture with having all these rules is called asana. You should maintain that. You should keep this subject in your mind when you do asana. Next is pranayama. Pranayama is very easy. You are already learned. You should keep your right palm on the stomach. Inhale and expand the stomach. Then exhale and calm down. You are done, no? Very easy. Normal person, normal breathing uses only some part of the lungs. Our lungs capacity is 2500 cc. Our lungs capacity is 2500 cc. But normal person, normal breathing ability is 400 to 500 cc. 400 to 500 cc. If he is doing some exercise like running, jogging, something he is doing means his ability is 500 to 700 cc. There is a bowl, its ability is 2.5 liters milk, but we are using to keep only half liter or 1 liter. The rest of the part is becoming waste, so we must activate the tissues of the lungs. We must increase our lungs capacity. There is a way, and that is pranayama. We are going to activate 6 crore tissues of the lungs. Then we get proper function of the heart. Then all the organs of the body get rich oxygen supply. Rich oxygen supply. We can collect whole internal government if you practice pranayama for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We can collect whole internal government. Many foreigners are coming to our India. They are learning. They have started commencing institution over there. I have classes in Malaysia. Next to 21st, I am going there to teach. They are learning. Why? Because of benefits. Then there is a statement by Patanjali Maharishi, Tasmin Sati Uchvasa Prachvasa Gati Vicheda Pranayama. Pranayama is regulation of incoming and outgoing flow of breath. It is to be practiced after performing asanas, not before asanas. Not before asanas. Somebody will do by seeing TV or by reading article. One of the student came, sir, I am doing asanas. I am learning by you only. What? That was the first time I am seeing. Sir, I am learning by you only. I saw your program in 99 in DD1. There was only one channel that time. When I was giving DD program, there was only one channel. That was DD1. Sir, I learned from that only. You are like a drona. I am like a Ekalavya. I felt very happy. Wow. I have a student like Ekalavya. Wow. Good, very good. Show me one asana. I told him, okay, do Vakrasana. I will show in a different way. Vakrasana is shown in a different way. Because I can keep like Nakrasana something. Nakra Vakrasana something I can keep doing. I told him, don't tell my name outside. Because he was doing in a haphazard manner. He learned from TV. Will the person able to come and correct it? No, he will continue with the same mistake. So there is no chance of getting proper benefits. We should practice through Guru only, because you are going to play the game with the heart and the lungs. You are going to play the game with the heart and the lungs. It should be in a sequence. Then only possible to get benefits through pranayama. Next, come to the part of meditation. Meditation. Normally, I will make them start with meditation. Somebody will start happily who knows simply about yoga. Others, sir, I came for weight reduction. Should I do this? Should I want to close my eyes? They'll ask directly. Sir, I came for back pain. Teach me some back pain asanas, sir. No. This I don't like to do meditation. Meditation. It is commencing. Yoga is commencing from meditation. Why? Because of advantages. There are many statements towards meditation. You can get anything in the life if you meditate. You can get anything in the life if you meditate. Meditation is like a calling. Devil, beware. Meditation helps to collect your body, collect your mind, so collect your life. After hearing, you might laugh. I want crore of money. If I sit in the class, will I be able to get it? You might laugh, no? After hearing all this. But each statement is true. Each statement is true. You can get anything in the world if the mind is trained, if the mind is focused. What you want, you can get anything in the world if the mind is trained. You are going to awake your power. You can get anything. I'll tell you one fact story which just took place recently. One of my students brought her housemaid. Sir, she's my housemaid. She is suffering from severe back pain and headache. I taught yoga within 2 months. She became normal. She told, sir, I have to do meditation. I'm feeling like doing. I'm feeling very comfort with my life. I can do. Then I taught some meditation techniques. I taught more than 100 techniques. In that she liked to do 3 to 4 meditation. Then she started focusing like anything. Then her inner eyes started opening. Why I am like this? I can also become like that, no? She started, till that time she was engaged to some thoughts. I am poor, I can't do anything, I am fixed to this, I can't go outside, etc. After practicing meditation, her power started opening, her inner eyes started opening. Then she told, sir, I am bless me, sir, I am starting my business. What business? Sir, I am starting saree business. She had a cheetah, she told she had cheetah something. I brought money from that, sir, I am commencing. She was working for 3,000 for month. After commencing yoga, she is earning 3,000 per day. Think of it. She will tell, I get 50, sometimes I get 50,000 per day when I get marriage season and all. Think of it like that. You can achieve any kind of stages in the world. If the mind is trying and if the mind is focused, you can get anything. Next thing is, meditation is like a calling devil. Beware. What is this? They are scared about that. After hearing, what is this? I have to do meditation. They are telling like, yes. The person is not doing anything. Suppose mother-in-law, she is not doing anything. She is watching TV and she is going to sleep. She is watching TV and she was seeing only 2 serials. She was seeing only 2 serials. Somebody felt bored about that. Somebody taught meditation to her. Now it became 4, 6, 8 serials. Yes. Now earlier she was with only 2 serials. She awakened concentration and memory. She awakened concentration and memory. It is working in indirection. She has no theme at all. She has no theme. So it is working in other direction. So you should learn. You are going to awake your power of concentration and memory. You are going to awake your concentration and memory. You should give right work to that. Or else you will go down like anything. Or you will get into problems. You can ask anything to meditation, that will give. If you give good, life become right. If you ask bad, one of the person asked in meditation, who was in Mysore Road, that person went to jail. Nityananda. See, all of them were meditating, all of them were asked to get knowledge, that this and that. He was asking Tamil film actor. Yes. So he went down like anything. He got major problems. So you should ask good thing only. You should ask good thing only. You can get that. Sure. Not Sir Sarita Madam told that about Swami Vivekananda's statement. Take one subject, that should be your life. Let the body become that subject. Then let the brain, let these muscles of your part become that subject. Just stand at that. Leave all the subject from that rule. That is the secret of success. That is the secret of success. You can get anything in the world, and somebody will get the boldness in that. Sir, will I able to get the future, good future? I'll tell you one fact story. William Wordsworth. I think you know about that. William Wordsworth was the great physician of Canada. He was suffering from anxiety. He was suffering from anxiety like anything. He was keep on crying, oh, there are 11 volumes of books. How can I complete this? How can I complete? How can I get my life? How can I stand my life like others? No chance. It's impossible. I can't do this. I want to quit this life. One day he went to library. He saw the book of Kilari. Then after reading that statement about that, read that Kilari's book. It's very good. After reading that statement itself, his life became bright like anything. He became an eminent professor of Oxford University. Eminent professor of Oxford University. He wrote many books on medical field. Today also, his book is on the line. William Wordsworth. One day he was addressing to students. There, students asked him, sir, what is the secret? What is the secret of your power? How you got changed? You were suffering from anxiety according to report. How you got changed? Oh, you think that I am born with genius. You think that I am born with genius. No. I was also poor like you only. After reading that Kilari statement, my life became changed. Sir, please tell me what was that sentence? Our business is not to see far, which is very dim. Our business is not to see far, which is very dim, but to see in the hand, which is very light. What a statement. That statement made him tremendous changes. He became extraordinary in his field. Or normally people will think of future or the past. That will take tension somewhere. No, we should not think of the future, which is very dim, but to think in the present, which is in your hand. You should complete all your work in the present. That made him excellent in his field. Like that, you can get anything in the world. Regular and daily practice of meditation helps to provide sukha. What is sukha? Why? How we get sukha? There is a Yogi Sadasuki. How can we get it? How can we get Sukha? Housewife, she saw the necklace of the friend. She saw the necklace of the friend. Oh, she explained in a different way. This necklace is like this. This is made up of diamond, American diamond, that, this and that. She attracted by that. Her own senses stored with that. Then she came to home and asked her husband, I want necklace. Oh, my friend also took that. Please bring that. Hey, this is not time to bring. I'm weak now. Commercially, I am not sound now. We can take next week. She started crying. She's keep on crying because of the necklace. Why? Senses are with the necklace. Student is crying because his senses are with the mobile. Yes. After doing yoga, you are going to withdraw your mind. Pratyahara. You are going to withdraw your mind. You are going to withdraw the senses. Then you keep it with the mind. Senses with the self is happiness. Senses with the material world is unhappiness. You are going to maintain happiness lifetime if you practice meditation daily. Then you maintain relaxation. Main thing, you get relaxation. Next, you need relaxation. Sharpness. On many complaints I got from the students. Sir, my husband is good educated, sir. He is a surgeon. But I am scared to go with him, sir. He'll quarrel one or the other person daily, sir. If he is at home, I feel I would like to stay outside. If he is in the home, I would like to stay outside, sir. Sir, he is good educated. Even not only that is the report of wife's husband also. Sir, my wife is good educated. She will scream like anything. She will scream at the children like anything. She will scream at my mother. She will scream towards my father. Why? She is good educated. Why she is screaming? Sharpness without relaxation causes to problems. Anxiety, worry, fear, etc. So you should learn to relax your mind. Yoga is the superior way. Especially meditation and Shavasana is excellent in yoga. You can achieve any stages. If there is a statement, if the mind is balanced, world is balanced. If the mind is balanced, world is balanced. If the mind is not balanced, world is not balanced. So we must learn to balance our mind. Everything is depend upon our state of mind. We are going. The person is parking on the side of the road. The person is parking. Please, should I want to stop? No, okay. If I want to tell me, okay. The person was parking on the roadside. What do? If you are with calmful state, then smile and go. If you are with a little bit stress, hey, can't you park inside? You are going to shout like anything because of imbalance. If the mind is balanced, everything is perfect. You will smile and go. Hey, if it becomes close to me, I can inform. Or else you are going to quarrel with him. So you should learn to balance your mind. You can balance through yoga only. It is like a yoga. Practicing yoga is like a getting crore of lottery. Already you got it. You should practice yoga whatever it is. That is secondary. Actually, I saw the last message something in the mobile WhatsApp. One of my students said, if you visit, you have to, for maintaining happiness, I'll complete within 4 minutes. Okay. If you want to maintain your happiness, you have to visit 4 places. First is primary school. You have to visit primary school. There, LKG student, one of the student going to dance, one of the person going to pinch, another one going to write on the wall. What do? You should maintain, you should not maintain. Now there is the rule down, you should not beat anybody, you should maintain the normality there. You learn patience like anything. See at home, only one child or 2 child only, oh, they scream like anything, oh, I don't want child. They scream like anything, but there they maintain 20 to 30 children easily. You learn patience over there. If you visit as a teacher for the primary school, you learn patience. You learn patience like anything. Next, you have to visit mental hospital. Okay. Next, you have to visit mental hospital. Then, actually, I got complaint from the housewife. Sir, my mother-in-law scold like anything. Sir, I don't feel like eating at all. I don't like to be in the life at all. I don't like to be in the life, etc. After visiting to mental hospital, what do? The person is accused in a various way. He is going to throw something. What do? He is mentally ill. You are going to neglect, no? Similarly, you should neglect. Husband is scolding. He is mentally ill. You will maintain normality of your mind. You will maintain whatever it is. You will maintain happiness. You will maintain happiness of your happiness. No, so you will be out of all the stress and stress. Why you lose? Actually, we won't bring thieves at home to steal. Similarly, why we want to bring the thoughts which are disturbing our mind today? So we must not. He is accused wrongly that he is mentally be out of. Next one. Okay. Next, all right, time. Just also can discuss in the next classes. Thanks for giving chance.
Your words are truly inspiring and motivating for all of us. I would now like to welcome our senior the afternoon YSC batch 105. Kindly come